Hi, I'm Matt Weaver from Headland Machinery, and I'm here with the Axiom 1530 abrasive waterjet system from OMAX. OMAX are the leading abrasive waterjet manufacturer in the world. They've been in the waterjet industry now for 25 years, and I personally have been with them for 24 years. Started my experience in the UK with OMAX. I continue now here in Australia to make sure that Australian customers are getting the service and the supply that they need. Abrasive waterjet machining is one of the most innovative, exciting technologies you can come across. It uses abrasive, concentrated using a jet of water, pressurised up to 50,000 psi, accelerated up to just under twice the speed of sound, concentrated through the material to cut almost any material. You can cut glass, you can cut metals, you can cut carbon fibre, plastics, stone, anything you like, you can cut it with an abrasive waterjet. One of the questions I get asked the most is, why am I going to buy an abrasive waterjet over a laser? The answer is simple: versatility. An abrasive waterjet can cut absolutely anything. A laser is quite restricted to materials it can cut, but that has its place as well. If you want to cut volume, you want to cut thin metals, buy a laser. If you want to cut absolutely anything that comes into your factory and you want to be able to cut materials up to 300 mil thick, buy a waterjet. That's the way to go.